Alright guys, so I'm doing breakfast this morning. So I'm doing omelets and I did waffles here. Okay, and I'm also doing like a little smoothie, a berry smoothie type or something. This is the last thing I'm doing now, and then I'm going to plate up everything, and then you guys will see it when it's finished.
Hey Paris, hi, happy Mother's Day. Blessed Mother's Day from the Jamaican Debbie straight to you all. Look at me here now. I'm on the outside. I'm in a look relaxing chair. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, you know I always want it to be good night when you tune in to the Jamaican Debbie stream. So my breakfast here, camera girl, corn, I have waffle, I have piece of my pork tenderloin, and that video will be uploading for you on the cooking journey in another few hours. I've got here, this look like an omelette coming. I know what I'm going in and at your stuff. One nice because smoothie to take it down. This is how I'm starting the day out, and as we go through the day, we're going to be having a lot more to offer you. Happy Mother's Day. We catch up with you later. So Pari, look at me here now. I'm out in the backyard. The sun is so hot, but the breeze is blowing and it's nice. So them kids are them deal with the cooking and all of that. I can't see me relaxing. I never see me relax so in all the life around know me. So the sun is over to that side, so it has moved from over here. Kim is doing dinner, camera girl is taking a little rest and all of that and so forth. So they're on the straight here, so show them the camera so do I go on down this so I'm going to use grill little more and you know all of that way around in the backyard. It's a real I'm a 5-star Jamaican backyard. So when you come to Jamaica, I don't know if you know I'm a real party, we just want 2 more of them, 1 chair and 3 more on the stretcher. So put out the grilling of the summer here, roast breadfruit, jerk, thing. Go on with all kind of thing and the jerk pan then if you put out too. Talk to you later.
Oh, I direct the video. You are direct the video. One direct the video.
What talk?
Colby. I don't listen to Mother's Day. This is I'm talk for Mother's Day.
Colby talk.
Alright guys, so now we're doing the chicken. This is that's fish in the foil paper there. I think roast fish or something of the sort. So Kim is going to put on the chicken them now. You're putting on the chicken them. You put the chicken them now on the grill.
And them now will take no time. So them already.
Yeah, them fry already, so just forget the sauce to stick onto it and basically.
You look at the stove? Ready? So guys, I am Bobby frying the chicken. I already fried, so I'm putting the chicken on the grill. So keep the sauce and stuff. So when we finish, we'll come back, and when we are look on it, we'll come back. But for now, this is what we have for now.
So Pari, look here. I drink 1 cup of tea and now breakfast and we're out on me. So the evening, like you know, it's cool. The sun is down and the breeze is blowing. It's heavenly, right round here, on the 5-star backyard, right in the 5-star backyard. So I'm just having tea. I'm waiting on dinner. I want to see some move. I now me relax. Hope you all are having a blessed day and all of that. I say I am this morning till they look bad. My tail shoot, but he wear out on me now. It's for the longest while. I've never had such, you know, it's just whenever I've not big money for kind of big this, but I am okay. I'm feeling good. I'm enjoying myself. So yes, I'm definitely having a cup of tea, you know, trying to get, you know, everything relaxed in the stomach. So wait for the anti-Raja food. When me get the Antaraja food, me check back with it. See it?
Okay, now, Paris, this is the dinner. This is all courtesy of Kimmy. So this is pork, stewed pork. This is a big piece of oxtail. This is the barbecue chicken when she do on the grill. This is curry mutton. I get some mac and cheese, stove top. This look like mashed potato, tomato, and lettuce. Thanks, Kimmy. Kimmy. Never say no grace for health and strength and daily food. Yeah. We thank you, Lord, for my Mother's Day dinner. Amen. Thanks for dinner. Okay, darling. Barry, from my Jamaican backyard to your dinner table to wherever you are. It's my Mother's Day dinner. Courtesy of my son and daughter-in-law, camera girl, and all of that. Show them how going around the backyard, you know, son. On the backyard there, the wind is blowing and it's nice. So if you want to come to Jamaica and want to have dinner with me on the backyard, tell me in the comment section. Catch you later. So Paris, this is like the end of, not really the end, it's just like, you know, coming down. We had some visitors earlier. Jerry and Kim, them I drive out. I don't think them are going to catch Devon. The crowd of that Devon house tonight, it's not funny. They're going to look ice cream, but I think I eat the ice cream tonight. So it was just a blessing. I didn't go out, I was at home. And it doesn't matter, I'm okay. I'm a home girl, you know. I am not a party. I'm not a going out person unless it's for business or otherwise, you know. Or probably a little shopping. But I'm just a home girl. I like to bring like my entertainment home and do my little thing at home, you know, with my family or myself and me and dad. So it was a great day. We enjoyed ourselves. And sorry about that, we were just watching them going out. So I hope you all had a great day, you two, all our moms. And can I tell you something? I was like scrolling through my comments this morning on the cooking journey, and somebody said, Debbie, you should have addressed the mothers, them too, that lose children. And that was really for real. That was for real. Wanted to go live for even half an hour this evening on the cooking journey, but it was intense. We had some visitors. We never vlogged then, and I have enjoyed my Mother's Day. I hope you did too. Let me tell you, the food, Kimmy did it so well. It was off the chain. It was. I wanted to end the vlog with her and just to pick her up and to share with you, but she just was rushing out with Jer to get ice cream. Kim, our girl from behind the camera, she did an awesome job with breakfast. Kim, our girl, thanks again for breakfast.
You're welcome.
And dad and everybody was just here, and we are still on the outside because it's so cool. But as soon as they then get back in, I'm gonna go now shower, and then I'm gonna take to the bed, and that will be it. It's another day. Even though we celebrate Mother's Day, we give thanks for it, and some people are still out on the town. So we hope everybody getting safe. We hope everybody had a wonderful day, and we hope that nothing major didn't happen, you know, just to disrupt everything that was going on. Some people took it slow like myself. We loved it. Thank you all so much. Thank you for being a part of the Jamaican Debbie Debs. And as I'm about to end this little Mother's Day vlog, never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.